Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can check PC or laptop specification on Windows. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step, you simply need to click on this search icon, and here you need to search for system information, and you simply need to click on open. And here you can get your all systems. So here you can see my operating system, Windows 11 version, and you can get a complete list in which you get all the information about your system. Here you can, so here you can see, so this is all your system summary. You can get each detail that ever you want. So this is the easy process by which you can get each and everything at one place of your system. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.